Hi everyone, it's Amira Srivastava, the Python 101 teaching assistant for the 2025 to 2026 year. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you about how to submit and unsubmit and attach files onto Google Classroom from Google Colab. So as we can see here, I have my assignment that I want to submit on Google Colab. So there's two main methods that I can use to submit these assignments. So the first one is by downloading it. In order to download it, we need to click on File. We need to go to the second last option, which is Download, and click Download with IPYNB. So as you can see over here in our Downloads tab, it's going to be downloaded. So now we're going to go back to our assignment. In order to add or create files, we're going to click Add or Create on your work. And then we're going to click File. In order to access our folders, we're going to click Browse. And you should be on the Downloads tab because that is where it's going to download. And then we're going to click right here, the first option where it says my Google Colab code. So now it should be uploaded. So in order to double check, we're going to click on it. We're going to click Google Colab, open with Google Colab, and we should see our assignment, which we do. So we know that this is successful, but now let's try another method that could be a little easier. So this next method is by using Google Drive. So Google Colab is part of the whole Google ecosystem, so it's going to be saved on Google Drive automatically. So what you can do is you can click Add or Create, Google Drive, and it should be the first option right here. We can just go ahead and upload that, and we should go directly to Google, not directly, but we should get the same exact result right here. So this method is probably a lot easier for you guys. So you can use any of the two, whichever one you think works best for you. So now that we have our assignment uploaded, now what we need to do is we need to be able to turn in the assignment. And by the way, if you want to add more assignments, you'll always feel free to click the Add or Create button and follow the same process to keep adding more and more assignments. But now we have our assignment that we need to turn in, and now we need to know how to actually submit it. Because if I just upload it, that's not it. I can't just leave. I need to actually click the Turn In button right here. So once I click this, it's still not turned in because I need to double check with them, reconfirm that this is the assignment that I want to turn in. So we're going to click the turn button one more time. And now when it goes from assigned to turned in over here, that means that your assignment has been submitted and we can see it. So now what if you change your mind once you submit it? So it's not permanent. What you can do is that you can click unsubmit and reconfirm that you want to unsubmit. And then you can do whatever editing you need to do, re-upload your file, and don't forget, once you re-upload it, we still can't see it because you haven't turned it in. So once you add another file, I need you to click turn in again and one more time, and now you successfully resubmitted your assignment. So these are the steps to submit files, unsubmit files, and upload files onto Google Classroom from Google Colab. Thank you.